Hi, welcome to the CrafteeManatee. Today I'm going to be showing you how to work a single crochet stitch for your Amigurumi projects. This is part 2 of the Amigurumi basic series here on my channel. Part 1 was how to create a magic ring to get your project started, and today I will be showing you how to work single crochet stitches. Almost all Amigurumi projects call for single crochet stitches. For example, my crochet capybara, which is available as a free pattern here on the channel, uses only single crochet stitches for the body and the feet. The ears are using double crochet stitches, but for the most part, single crochet stitches are what you will be using. Working a single crochet stitch in Amigurumi patterns is exactly the same as working a normal single crochet stitch in any other crochet pattern. The main difference in Amigurumi techniques is that we are going in a circle, so we are just continuously working a single crochet stitch around. There's no need to turn our work or anything like that. So to work the single crochet stitch, we are going to go into the front and the back loop of the next stitch. So as you can see, each crochet stitch has a front loop and a back loop. You want to make sure that your hook goes through both the front and the back loop of each stitch. So this is what it will look like when you have your hook through the front and back loop of the crochet stitch. And you're going to yarn over and pull through, and you'll yarn over again and pull through the final 2 loops on your hook. And that is how you work a single crochet stitch for Amigurumi. You do want to keep your tension pretty tight for Amigurumi projects because you don't want the stuffing to come out at the end. For projects like this, you're going to use a smaller hook size than what the yarn typically calls for, just so that all of those stitches are very tight. For example, this capybara is stuffed with stuffing, but you can't see any of the stuffing through the stitches, which is exactly what you want. So just make sure that you are keeping your tension nice and tight. I'll show you that single crochet stitch a few more times so you can get the hang of it. So we're going to insert into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. And you are just going to continue that around for as many stitches as your pattern calls for. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to work the single crochet stitch for your Amigurumi projects. It's a very simple stitch and it is what most Amigurumi projects call for. So once you master this, you're ready to take on just about any Amigurumi project that's out there. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crochet tutorials and patterns. You can find me on Instagram at the CrafteeManatee, and you can find all of my patterns on Ravelry, Rippler, and Etsy. Thanks for watching. Bye.